All right, today we're going to talk about graphing with GeoGebra in Smart Notebook. So after you have your Smart Notebook open, you want to go ahead and click the puzzle piece here to add look at add-ons, and then we want to GeoGebra. We're going to insert a GeoGebra widget, and it is an object like anything else in the Smart Notebook, so you can move it around. And there are two ways to add an equation to graph. Actually, first thing I want to do is click this little page button here to minimize those add-ons. So if I click on the first line right here, I can type y equals, and then I have a keyboard down here, square root of x. And then I'll get out of there and hit enter, and it will graph the function. So I can just type it in. The other thing that you can do is you can use the pens to just either, if you have a touch screen, a stylus, or your finger, or you can actually use the mouse to draw an equation, and then you move it over to the center, right close to the origin, and then you just let go, and it will also graph your equation for it. I haven't really had any trouble with it recognizing my handwriting, so that's been good. Now, the next thing you can do is, if you want to move your equation, let's see, I'm not sure why that little box is there. Let's try this again. Move the equation. You notice the coefficients on the, if it moves the graph, the coefficients on the equations change. So if I move it over to x minus 2 quantity squared, and then I do get the coefficients there. And then the same thing with my square root. You move it around. I haven't figured out how to make like a compression or a dilation yet, but I think you can actually, one way to do it is just the old-fashioned way, and it's just to type in the coefficient.